everybody, welcome to Earth Science. So let's use that reference table to do the first 2 pages of this. And I hope you're watching the video because you're going to see that there are a lot of pages. I don't know why my mouse won't go down anymore. 9 pages, so you don't have to do all that. I might pick pieces we'll do in chunks, but for today, pages 1 and 2. Okay? It's all going to be using page 10 of the reference tables, which you can either do off that one you just did in the notes, or you can use the link back from the all MP4 assignment survival guide, which I've got right here. You can just go to the regular reference tables and go down to page 10. Sitting right there. Whatever works for you. Okay, so name the layers from the inside to the outside. That shouldn't be too bad. What 2 layers make up the lithosphere? Shouldn't be too bad. It's in that reference table, or we did it in the notes right up there. 2 types of crust and their densities. We did that at the end of the video, and if you don't remember that part of the video, you really should go back and watch. Make sure you go all the way through that last video. MOHO, same deal. That's right in there. How far is it to the center of the Earth in kilometers? About that many. How many do you estimate is right about there? All right, so what you're going to do here, this first box always confuses people, so let's do it. For depth and thickness, what do they do for a unit on this reference tables? They do it in kilometers, so that's what this is going to be. It's km, really for all 3 of those. Temperatures, what do they do it in? They do it in degrees C. And that little degree symbol is kind of a pain, so we'll just say DEG-C. Pressure, what do they do it in? They do it in millions of atmospheres. I'll just write that right across all of these. And then density, what do they do it in? It's grams per centimeter cubed. Grams per cm. I don't know. One way to do it in regular text, this is like old school. If you can find it, there it is, Shift 6. So we used to do it for 10 cubed. I don't know, on typewriters. Composition, what's it made out of? There's not really units for that. It doesn't make any sense, does it? All right, so here's what you're going to do for the rest. What is the depth of the inner core at the bottom? What's the depth of the inner core at the top? And therefore, what's the thickness? So what is the depth right down there? That's the bottom of the inner core. What's the depth right there? Estimated. And then the thickness would be the difference. So if you say this is from here to here, how thick is it? So all 3 of those numbers. Depth of the bottom, depth of the top, depth of the bottom, thickness. Temperature of the top, temperature of the bottom. This looks like a lot, but it's not that bad once you see how it goes, and the practice will help. The temperature down at the bottom is of the inner core is where it meets the temperature line. Come over, ballpark that number. I don't know, what do you think? 66, 6,700? And towards the top of the inner core, right over here, a little cooler. Pressure at the top and bottom, same deal. At the top, right about there, looks like, I don't know, 3.5 million atmospheres. You can just do 3.5. And there, again, a little lower. All right, what do you think? The density range of the inner core. That's just straight up right there, listed for you. Okay? I think pretty doable. Do your best. I think you can do it. What happens to temp? These are just like, do they increase or decrease? 1 layer is a liquid. If you were tuned in on the notes, I said that very plainly. And then try 1, 2, 3, 4 questions, and we'll call it good. That's just a spare version of it right there. Okay? Ooh, you know what we didn't do in the notes? I mean, it's from the previous day's notes. How do we know what's down there? How do we know what is down there in all those layers? We study wave refraction. Just to review what we had done in the previous day's notes. All right. What do you think? I'm going to delete that so that you have to do it. But you guys got this. Good luck. And again, just those 2 pages. All the other stuff, don't worry about for today. Good luck.